So guys, you have idea about increasing and decreasing function? Yes? Now, okay. So what I'm going to do, increasing function, when you differentiate the function and you get dy over dx and it is greater than 0, then it is increasing function. And if you get differentiation dy over dx and it is less than 0, then it becomes decreasing function. How it is happening, that I'm going to tell you now. Function fx, if it is function fx, we can say it is increasing function. Function fx, it is increasing function if differentiation of fx, that is greater than and equal to 0 for all values of x. Okay, for all values of x. What does it mean? It means if y is given something, yeah, and y is equal to fx, yeah, and fx is something, you just find out f dash x, which is nothing but it is dy over dx, and if it is greater than and equal to 0 for all values of x, then we can say function is increasing. Okay, in the same way, this is rule 1, and rule 2, fx is decreasing function if f dash x is less than and equal to 0 for all values of x. For all values of x, okay, then it is decreasing function. So let's see questions now. If question is like this, if fx equal to, question number 1, you no need to do, just have a look here. Fx equal to 3x square plus 8x plus 2, and it is given it is increasing function. It is increasing function. So what does it mean? What does it mean, guys? If fx equal to 3x square plus 8x plus 2 and it is given it is increasing function, what does it mean? No idea? Okay, it means their differentiation will be greater than equal to 0, because for increasing, then differentiation will be equal to 0, greater than equal to 0. So what is f dash x here? So f dash x will be, differentiation of 3x square will be 6x, differentiation of 8x will be 8, and differentiation of 2 will be 0. So this should be greater than equal to 0. Now for which values of x it is increasing function? So we can solve it. Minus 8 both sides, so 6x greater than equal to minus 8, and divide by 6. So x is greater than equal to minus 8 over 6. If you cancel it by 2, so it will be 4 over 3. So x is greater than and equal to minus 4 over 3. So this question you need to try. Fx equal to 5 minus 8x minus 2x square, and this is increasing function. I am writing here increasing function. Then for which value of x this will be increasing? Could you please solve now? So differentiation of 5 will be 0, differentiation of minus 8x will be minus 8, and this will be minus 4x, and this should be greater than and equal to 0. Why? Because this is increasing function. Is that okay? So minus 8 minus 4x greater than 0. If we do plus 8 both sides, okay, so it will be minus 4x greater than 8. Okay, divide by 4 both sides. So we got minus x greater than or equal to 2. Okay, now inequality has only one rule. Okay, what is that rule? This minus sign. We need to get rid of this minus sign. To get rid of this minus sign, we multiply by minus 1 here and multiply by minus 1 here. When we do that, then inequality sign will get reversed. Yeah, so it will be x less than and equal to -2. Okay, here question number 1, another part, fx equal to x4 minus 8xq. It is increasing function. You need to find for which value of x this is increasing. Please start solving and get me the answer now. So here fx is x4 minus 8xq and it is increasing function. It means f dash x should be greater than or equal to 0. What is f dash x here? So f dash x, if you differentiate x4, it will be 4x3 minus differentiate 8x3, it will be 24x square, and this should be equal to greater than or equal to 0. Okay, now 4x square we can take out, so we are left with here x minus 24 divided by 4, that is 6, and x square is already out, greater than 0. So it is just like this. So there are two terms, this one and this one. So if 4x square greater than 0, divide by 4 both side, x square greater than 0, then x is greater than 0. Okay, and if x minus 6 greater than 0, if you do plus 6 both side, so x will be x greater than 6. So there are two answers. First is x greater than 0 and x greater than 6. Is that okay, guys? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Now next question based on decreasing function. Here again find the values of x for which fx is decreasing. Yeah. So here fx is decreasing. Fx is decreasing, it means their differentiation will be less than and equal to 0. So question is fx equal to 5x minus x square, and you need to find for which value of x this function is decreasing. So what we need to do first, let's differentiate f dash x. Differentiation of 5x will be 5. Differentiation of x square will be minus 2x, and this should be less than or equal to 0. Why? Because it is decreasing function. Now we can do minus 5 both side. Okay, so let's do minus 5 here and minus 5 here. So it will be minus 2x less than or equal to minus 5. Okay, we can divide by 2 because x has to be alone. So divide by 2 and divide by 2. So 2 and 2 cancel. So we got minus x less than or equal to minus 2.5. Again, we have minus sign with x. Okay, to get rid of this, we'd multiply by minus 1 here, multiply by minus 1 here. So what will happen when you multiply? It will be positive and inequality sign will get reversed and it should be 2.5. So your first answer will be x greater than and equal to 2.5. Okay, so one more example I'm going to solve so that you can understand. If it is fx, this is also decreasing function, fx equal to x to the power half, okay, and plus 9 x to the power minus half. Okay, and fx is decreasing. Fx is decreasing. So what does it mean if fx is decreasing, guys?
It's less than 0.
Okay, what is less than 0? It's differentiation. Okay, differentiation should be less than 0. So let's find differentiation f dash x. So it will be half x, half minus 1 is minus half, then this is plus 9. Here minus half is coming here, minus half. Okay, and x minus half minus 1 is minus 3 by 2, and it should be less than and equal to 0. Okay, half we can take outside and it is x to the power minus half. This is minus 9. Okay, 9, there is nothing left, it is 1, and x to the power minus 3 by 2 less than 0. So if you times by 2 both side, then we got X to the minus half, if you want, you can write down 1 upon x to the power half, okay, minus 9. It should be x times x to the power half less than 0. Did you understand? Because it is 1 plus half becomes 3 by 2. Guys, it is okay, this step here?
Yeah.
And 2 has gone multiplied with 0, so it's 0. Now, if we take x half outside, so it is left with 1 minus 9 over x less than and equal to 0. Is that okay? Okay. Now, it is 1 over x to the power half. If we multiply by x half both sides, if you multiply by x half here and x half here, so this will be cancelled and this will be 0. And if you simplify here, so it will be x minus 9 over x less than 0. Is that okay, guys? I have multiplied this into this into this, and bottom two number. Is that okay? Say yes or no? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Now we need to get rid of this x. So times by x here and times by x here. So this x and this x cancel, and this is again x times 0 is 0, and it is x minus 9 less than 0. If we do plus 9 both sides, so x is less than and equal to 9. Is that fine? Because there were two values, okay? So if we consider this one, like here it was x again, so you will get another value as well, x less than and equal to 0 from there. Okay, so you will have two answers. One is x less than 0 and one is x less than equal to 9. Yeah. Okay, so let's go for another question, and you need to practice it. Okay guys, what you need to do, you need to solve this, show that fx equal to 4 minus x 2x square plus 3, it is decreasing for all x belongs to real number. This is belongs to sign, and r stands for real number. So show that fx equal to this function 4 minus x 2x square plus 3 is decreasing for all x belonging to real number. Please try this question. Okay, next question now. Given that function fx equal to x square, this is square, x square plus px is increasing on the interval -1 and 1. Find one possible value for p. Find one possible value for p. So here is question, fx equal to x square plus px is increasing on the interval -1 and 1. Find one possible value for p. Okay, please try to solve and then let me know what is your answer. Okay guys, good if you have tried. Let's check your answers now. So here fx equal to x square plus px, and it is increasing function, so it means f dash x should be greater than or equal to 0. And what is f dash x? So let's find. So it will be 2x plus p, so it means 2x plus p greater than or equal to 0. Now if you see this bracket here, okay, this one, it is -1 and 1. Okay, so -1 and 1, so when we make this bracket, this sign, it means -1 is included and 1 is also included. So if we take x equal to -1, first value, so put x equal to -1. I'm taking this value here, first value. So if you put -1, so 2 times -1 plus p greater than 0, that is -2 plus p greater than 0. If we do +2 both sides, so p will be greater than 2. This is value of p. Okay. Now if we take another value of x like this, put x equal to 1, so it will be 2 plus p greater than 0 and -2 both sides, so p is greater than and equal to -2. Okay, so p is greater than -2 and p is greater than 2. So if you follow the number line like here, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So for this value p greater than -2, all these values will be there here, and for this one, for p greater than 2, so this will start from here. Okay, so possible value of p has to be greater than and equal to 2. So we can write down here, possible value of p must be greater than or equal to 2. This should be our possible value. Hope this is okay with you.